Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2025 Ford Super Duty? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses high amperage fuses and relays that control critical systems like the ignition, cooling fans, headlights, and ABS. It's designed to protect key engine and safety components from electrical faults. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box houses fuses that protect the vehicle's interior electrical circuits, such as lighting, infotainment, and climate controls. It's usually located under the dashboard for easy access and maintenance. Battery fuse box. The battery fuse box protects high current circuits directly connected to the vehicle's battery, safeguarding essential components like the starter and alternator. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.